So hello everyone, welcome back for Logical Sayu. So friends, today we are going to discuss one of a important and as well as common recurring type of error. So our laptop power on button is not working. Means if we click our window, Dell or laptop will be any companies, it doesn't matter. Our laptop, the power button is not working when we click it off. See, as you can see in my demo here, this is my Dell laptop. If I click here power button, see, if I click here this power button means it is not on. See, I am pressing it, it is not on. So why this error may occur in our laptop and why it is not on, and how to solve this kind of bug fix error. So this we are going to discuss detailedly in this video. So without skipping a single step, watch this video until end and you can able to fix this kind of error. So thank you. Let's start a video. So my laptop, if I click my power button, it is not on. So this kind of error we are going to fix in this video. So why this may happen means there are simple method why this error may occur. Means if we charge our laptop over, so take example, the capacity for this charging for this laptop is maximum 3 hours. Means if we charge this laptop up to 5 or 6 hours continuously, that is a first method. This type of error will occur. Our laptop will be not on if we click a on button, power button. So this is a first method. If we charge a over exist time, over the maximum time, if we charge our laptop means it will give this kind of error. And method number 2 means while we are using laptop, at that time we plug in the charging pin. Understood? By using the charging pin plug in, if you use the laptop for a maximum hours, 3 to 4 hours, after that if we shut down our laptop as it is and kept it in a regular place, means at that time also we are going to face this kind of error. So these are the two causes how this error may arise. Understood? And now how we can going to rectify this method means, so nothing too much complicated method we are going to see here. So why this is not on means the SMPS switch mode power supply will be there. No, it will be power supply will be gone as a maximum time for our laptop. So for doing that purpose, see here, we need to remove a battery. These are the clips. We need to remove our battery. See, this is my Dell laptop. Your laptop will be anything, just any company, anyone, that doesn't matter. Just remove your battery and place down. Now open the laptop and keep holding the power button for at least minimum 30 minutes, maximum 1 minute. So let's see. Yeah, I have completed a 1 minute. So now the power supply will be come out of the over exist power supply will be come out from this laptop. Unwanted power supply will be there. No, so generally we are going to tell like that our sir also going to tell like that unwanted power supply will be there, that once it exit from the inbuilt computer to outside, then our computer will become normal. They are going to say our sir words I am talking here. So this is a method. In this we are going to see our laptop is on or not. As you can see, my power button has been on. Yeah, my laptop is also on. See here, isn't it or not? Finally we have fixed this kind of error. In this video we've seen 3 methods. What are that? Why, how this may cause? There are 2 methods: charging for a long period of time, and second one, using a long period time for a computer while using charging. Understood? And how we are going to fix means minimum 30 minutes to maximum 1 minute we need to keep hold our power button on. Everything, the extra power will come out, and afterwards place your battery and click on. See, my laptop has been on. See here, it has been on. See, So thank you for watching my video. I hope you have been understood. So that much. If you are happy with this content, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thank you.